This April, I will be part of a decluttering and minimalist challenge. Stay tuned to hear all about it. Hello everyone, my name is Misty Nicole from LadyPrefersToSave.com. Welcome to another video and thank you for tuning in. I just wanted to hop on really quickly and let everyone know that each Monday in the month of April, I will be part of a decluttering and minimalist collab. This collab was started by Roxanne of The Guy's Life, and all the information for this collab will be in the description bar below. In full disclosure, I wanted to share a few things about this collab. And first, I'm not really starting in a traditional point with minimalism in this particular collab because, as you may already know, I went through my home and did the KonMari method and went through and majorly minimized my home. In fact, I got rid of nearly 60 to 70% of our family's belongings 2 years ago, and since have made a concerted effort to keep everything at home pretty minimal and zero waste. But with that, things still do creep in. And so for each day of this challenge, you will have coordinating minimalist tasks. For example, on day 1, you would minimize 1 item from your home, and on day 30, you would minimize 30 items from your home. And over the course of April, you would have a total of 465 items minimized from your personal possessions. While I know that there are some things that I do need to remove from my home, I know that I probably don't have 400-ish items to remove. So one of my goals for the challenge is to partially focus on my home and to also focus on some of my business endeavors and digital elements of my life and my business as well. And so I will be doing both digital and physical items over the course of the month. I'm super excited that Roxanne is hosting this collab, and I hope that it will give me an opportunity to really fine-tune my minimalist strategy at home and to up my game when it comes to concise, ethical living. And I really hope that this will give my family a recharge and a refocus on our minimalist strategies and how we want to move forward in being a minimalist family of 3. Something that I am also planning on doing is not just considering the items inside my home, but things that are also in my garage, in my shed, in my office space, things that are in the cars, as well, again, things that are online and digital. I'm just going to kind of give a thorough sweep of everything and really see what I can come up with and to get down to bare bones basics. Because for me, I know that becoming a minimalist came at a point in my life after suffering several miscarriages where I really needed to be able to focus on something that I could change, something tangible in my life. It has grown in epic proportions, and it's really something that has helped set a foundation and a standard for my day-to-day living that has really helped me be a better person. I'm better able to focus on my family. I spend less time cleaning and organizing and more time devoting to self-care and to re-educating myself on matters that are important and volunteering in my community and online and being a better mother and wife and friend and blogger and to be a better reader and to be a more learned person. And it's something that really has helped me tremendously. And I hope that this challenge will help me sharpen my minimalist skills and will give you all a better glimpse into how someone who is already an advanced minimalist and a minimalist mom and a minimalist blogger goes into a challenge such as this. I don't want people to think that just because you don't have a lot of items at home that you can't do this too. Because again, I'll be completely honest, I poo-pooed the idea at first and didn't think I'd really be able to do it. But I did a little bit of soul searching, and I think I'm not only up for the challenge, but I think I need to do this challenge. And it may be something that I need to do each year, maybe even if it's just in a digital capacity. And I'm really grateful and thankful for Roxanne for including me in this challenge. I will, again, in the description bar below, include all the information and details for you to check out, as well as to be sure to come back each Monday and check out what I will be downsizing from my home for the next 4 weeks as part of this challenge. One final thing that I wanted to mention is I'm going to do my challenge a little bit differently. Before I start any kind of decluttering or minimalism in my home, I always make sure that I have a place to responsibly and ethically donate my belongings. I'm not really going to sell them. I'm definitely going to be donating everything, and I will be listing in the description bar of each video ways that you can also do that. That would include everything from recycle bank to places internationally that you can send under things, and places that you can recycle hard to recycle items, or community organizations that can use your particular item, not necessarily just a charity shop or say the Goodwill or Salvation Army. There's many places that need everything that you have, so I want to be able to list those resources for you, because when I start a challenge, I always make sure that everything can find a home, because just throwing something in the trash to me is not very responsible. And I want to set that example in my home that everything has a place. Because for me, it's part of a lesson. I don't want to contribute to the huge and rampant problem of waste in the world. I don't want to contribute any more to the overconsumption and landfill space. And I'm hoping that this challenge will help gear me in that direction in Q2 and on. And again, I'm very thankful to Roxanne. I'm thankful for all of you for checking out this video. And each video, definitely leave me some feedback. Let me know if you would like to see more minimalist videos on this channel. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to having you all check out these videos. Again, check that description bar below for more details. And as always, please be kind to yourself and to others, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.